bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Coughing when talking can be due to irritation or dryness in the throat. Common causes include allergies, acid reflux, or asthma. To alleviate this, stay hydrated, use a humidifier, and avoid irritants like smoke. If symptoms persist, consult a healthcare professional, as it could indicate an underlying condition needing specific treatment.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.